Find your balance on your sitting bones, lifting the heels off the floor, only pushing with the toes, leaning back slightly, keeping the core active. Draw the belly in. Feel your pelvic floor strong and active. And if you find your balance, lift the toes off the floor. 90 degrees in your knees, still holding with your palms. Feel the core active. We'll warm up and prepare for the full boat pose. Holding your palms under your thighs, just not directly under the knee joint, protect the joint. And release. Let's do one more round. Feel your core burning. Lifting the feet off the floor, keeping the shoulders away from the ears, and let's try this time to extend the legs, still holding them with our palms. We are warming up slowly and gently, and release. And again, find your balance on your sitting bones, lifting the legs straight, release the palms, and keep on lifting your rib cage up, shoulder blades down, and cross the legs, pushing with the palms towards the floor, lifting your hips. Try to lift your feet. Feel your core strong. Keep on squeezing and release. One more round. Navasana, both pose. Extend the legs. Arms parallel with the floor. Keep on reaching. Breathe in here deeply. Breathe Ujjayi if you're familiar with that technique. And again, cross the legs, push with the palms towards the floor, lifting the hips, rounding the spine. Core strong, feel your pelvic floor. Again, Navasana, extend the legs. Finding your balance, leaning slightly back with your upper body. Again, cross the legs, push with the palms towards the floor, lifting up, lifting higher. See if you can lift higher. And again, cross the legs. Let's step the legs back this time, or jump back. High plank, chaturanga modification. And bend the elbows under your shoulders or a little bit forward if there is any tension in your lower back. Push with the feet towards the floor and feel the lifting from your pelvic floor, and tailbone rotating in, pubic bone rotating up, lifting the hips up, modification of the dolphin plank, and let's tuck the toes under. Inhaling upper facing dog with the toes tucked, and as you exhale, downward facing dog, and go forward into plank. Inhale, exhaling, downward facing dog. Inhaling Palakasana. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Inhaling high plank, exhaling downward facing dog. Keep on doing a few times with your own breath, and then hold the last downward facing dog. Pushing the spine towards the ground, hips are pushing towards the sky. Inhaling, lifting the right leg up, pelvis remain parallel with the floor. Exhaling, bend the knees, squeeze it towards your chest, go forward into plank. And again, three-leg dog. Squeeze the knee towards your chest. Exhaling, go forward. Inhaling, three-leg dog. Exhaling, squeeze the knee towards your chest. This time, let's switch outer side of your biceps. Inhaling, three-leg dog. Exhaling, squeeze the knee outer side of your arm. Inhaling up, exhaling one more time. Downward facing dog. Let's switch the side. Inhaling, three-leg dog. Left leg goes up, Exhaling, squeeze the knee forward towards the chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling, lean forward. Inhaling, three leg dog. Exhaling, keep on squeezing the knee towards the chest. Inhale, extend. Exhaling. Inhaling up. Exhaling forward. And let's switch. Knee goes on the other side of your left biceps. Inhaling, three leg dog. Exhaling, squeeze the knee towards your biceps. And find your downward facing dog. Drop the knees on the floor. Sit on the side. Extend the legs. We'll do reverse tabletop. Purvottanasana. First we start with a modification with bending legs, lifting the hips. Shoulder, hips, knee in one line. Drawing the belly in. Palms are pushing towards the ground. Feet are pushing towards the ground. And extend the legs. Feel your glutes burning. Pushing up higher. Internally rotating the shoulders. And as you exhale, drop the hips down. Inhaling. Dandasana, exhaling. Paschimottanasana, bend forward. Grabbing your big toes. Slightly bend the knees. Inhaling. Dandasana. Exhaling. Lay down but not for Shavasana. We continue simple bridge pose. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Interlocking the palms under your hips. Keep on pushing your hips up towards the sky. Feel your quads extending. Draw the belly in, rotating the tailbone in, pubic bone up towards the head, and as you exhale, release. And sit in any comfortable seated position. Straight spine, lifting the ribcage up, drawing the belly in. Find your Uddiyana Bandha. Play the attention in your pelvic floor. Squeeze the sitting bones towards each other. Squeeze the tailbone and the pubic bone towards each other. That's an energetic action to awake the Mula Bandha. Keep on squeezing the two sitting bones, the pubic bone and the tailbone towards each other. Keep on trying if you cannot feel it yet. I'm sure with a little bit of practice, it will get very easy for you. Breathe abdominal. If you're familiar with that breath. Or Ujjayi. Rib cage is lifting up, diaphragm is lifting. Uddiyana Bandha, Barit Ujjayi in that case. And thank you for watching and practicing with me. Have a beautiful day.